Hi, and here we are in cold wintry Australia. This is the Reece S3 buttonholer. Can't bend, can't break. Supposed to be the super U-Butte thing of the lot of them. So you can see there I've had a couple of attempts. So what I'm going to do is just get this old girl flashed up and let you see how amazing it is. So as you can see, we'll do one hit which puts a so as you can see there, it not only does the buttonhole, it cuts it as well. Now let's do another one. Alright, so let's have a look. You can see there's the cut in the buttonhole. Single thread. So that's really not a bad effort. So I hope you've enjoyed it. And this is again the Reece S3 buttonhole sewing machine. If anybody wants one, give us a holler. Thank you.